Ipon challenge. Meron akong 3 books. Pink, violet, tsaka green. Blue. I think this is look like blue. This is the Ipon challenge. We have pink and blue. Mag-iipon challenge tayo. This is for 1 year. We need to put that 1 year. So I only have a pink. Let me see what inside the pink. This is Ipon challenge. Yeah, I have 500 already. And if you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Ayan. 20 times 3. 6, no. 20 times 6. Kasi baliktaran yan. Napuno mo yan. You have much money in December. Ipon challenge tayo, guys. This is for 500. And this is for 100 peso. Ayan. Meron na siyang laman kasi nag-start na ako ng January 1st. Ayan. Lumalaglag na siya. Ayan. Back to back yan, guys. Back to back. So, Ipon challenge tayo. Back to back. Ayan. Same lang siya ng pink. This one and this one. Same lang siya ng pink. So, ano din siya, 20. 20 din siya. Sa isang books have 20 pages times 6 because it's back to back. And this they have already have inside, and this one is for 50 peso. This is for the 50 peso bill, and they have already inside. And because nag-start na ako mag-ipon challenge this January. Ayan siya, guys. This is 50 pesos. Ayan. Same lang nung isa rin. So, wish me luck. Mapuno ko siya till December. This is 3. This is for 500 pesos. 500 pesos. And this is for 100 pesos. And this is for how much? 50 pesos. So, sana mapuno ko siya till December. Ipon challenge tayo, guys. Thank you so much.